Principal Secretary for Internal Security and National Administration, Raymond Omollo, has challenged Football Kenya Premier League side Police FC to go for the title this season. Kenya Police FC currently occupies the 9th position on the league standings, amassing 14 points from 11 matches played.
To show the way of how to run football in this country in a very professional and sustainable manner. Now, football is one of the many sports that is very crucial for the development of talent, but also it becomes a very good source of livelihood. Now, Kenya, like the rest of Africa, has a huge youthful population. So there is a youth badge. And in that youthful population, there is enormous talent, which, if properly tapped, would make a difference.
That by you joining us, this club is the club to watch. And this time round, I promise you, with your assistance and with your coming together, we are going to clinch the Premier League, and then it will be the talk of the town. It will just be Kenya Police FC, all over.
Football Kenya Federation President Nick Mwendwa has called on football fans in Kisumu and